How to substitute in eFootball. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can substitute on eFootball, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's say that you are in a specific match, which in this case I'll just go to a trial match, and then let's say I just want to go ahead and then substitute while playing, right? So I'm going to go play a game. The one you see on the strips icon are the players that are available for substitution. You can change them by simply selecting this option and choosing more players from the list. You can actually substitute up to 5 players in a specific game, and you can add up to this many amount of substitution in the player section. So now you can just hit the next option, and let's say your match has begun, right? I'm just going to go and start the match like this. Let's say while you are playing the game you want to go ahead and substitute because it is a 70th minute, all the staminas are getting lost and so on. How do you go ahead and then do that? Well, it's actually quite simple. Basically all you have to do is simply hit the pause button from the top right, which is going to be from the top right, and this can only be paused, the game can only be paused if it has been out or anything as such. You have to tap the pause option here, and then here you can see game plan, and now you can simply select the substitution players depending upon the position, the speed, or anything else as such. You should be able to go ahead and then substitute them just like this, and now you can see the intervals left and so on. You'll be able to substitute up to 5 players and so on. This way you'll be able to substitute in eFootball. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.